Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to compare Cozyla and Skylight. Cozyla and Skylight are smart tools that help families stay organized. They work differently. Cozyla is a smart digital frame and calendar that helps families stay organized in one place. It displays high-quality photos and videos with AI tools to enhance older or blurry images. The calendar syncs with Google, Apple, and Outlook and includes useful widgets like to-do list, weather, and meal plans. It is perfect for families who want a stylish, all-in-one display that brings together memories and daily planning. On the other hand, Skylight is a simple and friendly family calendar designed to make organizing everyday life easier. It offers an easy touchscreen for managing events, reminders, and syncing with your digital calendars. You can also send and view photos, giving the screen a personal feel when it's not in use. It is a great choice for families who want a no-fuss, helpful tool to stay on the same page. In my opinion, Cozyla looks more stylish and does more with photos, while Skylight is perfect for families who want an easy-to-use daily planner. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.